So we're just getting ready for one of our courses here at the Riverside Barbecue School.
Really excited. This is one of the things that we're going to be doing.
Oh, barbecue porchetta.
Absolutely fantastic.
They're not going to like that, Andrew. They're not going to like it.
I mean, goodness me, ladies and gents.
Can you smell it? Can you smell the herbs in that?
How good is that?
I mean, imagine that on your plate for Sunday lunch. Yeah, now.
It's about 2 minutes, isn't it?
Go on, Russell, you dive in, chef. So there will be, you've got to take the string off, don't you?
Very good.
Oh,
Awesome. Absolutely fantastic.
absolutely. All good, so ready, here we go, folks.
Thank you, sure.
Tart tartan on the barbecue. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, how about that? Steamed sponge pudding with blueberries and golden syrup on a barbecue. Oh my God, look at that.
Come on.
Had a good time. Got given as a gift. Good afternoon. Even on a rainy day, had a great time. Great food, good company. Even took mum and dad, and they loved it as well. Absolutely fantastic, as it says on the apron.
I'm new to this game. We've only just bought a gas barbecue and I was a bit apprehensive, but I've learned so much today. For that I'm very, very grateful. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, it's been a fantastic day, really enjoyed it. Facilities couldn't be improved on. Great company, good instruction, excellent food and very tasty.
I really enjoyed today because it showed me the versatility of how simple things are to cook on a barbecue. You'd never believe. Fish that doesn't smell, pizzas, and it takes minutes, whereas you think it will take forever. Very easy, very informative, and had a brilliant day. Thank you.
Okay, folks, so that's it. Barbecue course done at Riverside Barbecue.
What do you think, folks?
Absolutely fantastic!